Good morning, children. Now I am starting chapter surface area and volume. So first question is given here. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into a shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So question is saying here, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter, metallic sphere. At first we draw a sphere This is the sphere and its radius given here 4.2 centimeter. So this is 4.2 centimeter. This sphere is melted and recast into a cylinder. That means the material of this sphere will be same as the material of the cylinder. So now we recast into a cylinder. The volume of this sphere is equal to the volume of this cylinder. So student, you are seeing that two radius are there. One radius from here. This radius we shall take now R1, and this radius we shall take now R2. It is R2. This is the height. The radius of sphere, sphere that is R1 is given here 4.2 centimeter. Radius of cylinder that is R2 given here 6 centimeter. Height of cylinder is not given. Height of cylinder is not given. Let the height of cylinder is equal to h centimeter, because the radius of sphere given in centimeter unit and radius of cylinder also given in centimeter unit. So now we shall take it centimeter. So now student, it is very clear, the volume of sphere must be equal to the volume of cylinder. Both volume will be equal. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. According to question, volume of, we are finding now height of cylinder. That's why our requirement is height. So whatever you will find, that you will write first, and which is given completely we shall write now next. So our subject will come from cylinder. So at first I want to write here volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Now write now first formula. Volume of cylinder is equal to what? Pi r square h. So write now pi r square h. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now students, pi and pi both are same. So directly we can cut the pi and pi, and we are going to find h. So start with imply symbol. Now h is equal to 4 by 3. Actually both r are different. R12. This will be r2 and this will be r1. So 4 by 3 is here, r1 cube is here, and by r2 square. Got it? 4 by 3 pi is cancelled. We are finding our h. Where our subject is h, we are finding height of cylinder. That's why 4 by 3 pi r1 cube this side. Now this r2 square will go right side, this will divide. So that's why 4 by 3 r1 cube by r2 square. Right now 4 by 3 r1 is what? 4.2. So 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 by r2. R2 is 6. R2 square. 6 into 6. Now students, we remove the decimal. 1, 2, 3 decimals are there. So write now 1000. Now we remove the numbers one by one. 6 7 is 42. 6 7 is 42. 3 14 is 42. Now 4 25 is 100. 250. Now multiply 7 7 and 14 by 250. Now h is equal to, multiply students, 2.74. So it is coming now. This side is what? 686 by 250. 250 na? So now our answer is coming here 2.74. At the end we shall write, therefore the height of cylinder is equal to 2.74 centimeter. This is our answer. Now students, have you understood or not?
Yes sir.
Any doubt anybody? Question number 2. मेरा का क्वेश्चन?
Yes sir.
Now see the solution of question number 2. Metallic sphere of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere. Very simple question. 3 metallic spheres are there, and after melting all 3 spheres, we shall make a single sphere, that is the resulting sphere, and we are going to find the radius of the resulting sphere. Radius of resulting sphere. So 3 cylinders are there. Spheres are there. First sphere like this. Radius is R1. Second sphere. radius is R2. Third is R3. Now if we added all the volume of three sphere, now we shall get a new sphere that is big in shape. That is 4 spheres are there. Suppose this one is R. Radius of first sphere R1, second sphere R2, third sphere R3, and the radius of resulting sphere, this is the resulting sphere. Sorry, sphere. So first of all, we shall write now radius of first sphere. Radius of first sphere, that is R1, is given here. What is given? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Radius of second sphere R2 is given here 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Radius of third sphere R3 is given here 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Now students, let the radius of resulting sphere be R centimeter. So volume of this first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere, this must be equal to volume of fourth sphere. That is our resulting sphere. So at first we write all the formula, because we shall get 4 times pi, 4 times r. All the r's are different, radius are different, but pi are same. So very easily we can cut the pi and also 4 by 3. Because formula is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube for this sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube for second sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube for third sphere, and it is also 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what we are required? Resulting sphere. So at first we shall write this sphere, because we are going to find the radius of resulting sphere. So now students, radius of volume of resulting sphere is equal to volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere. So write the formula 4 by 3 pi. We have taken radius is small r. Numbers are not there. Pi r cube. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Now we shall take common. Start with imply sign. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to Take common 4 by 3 and pi. So what remains? Multiple here. R1 cube. We say write down R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Got it? Now students, 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 cancel. Pi and pi also cancel. So directly we are getting now R cube is equal to R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. Start with imply. Now R cube is equal to R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. So students, R cube is equal to R1 is what? 6 centimeter. Now 6 cm cube plus 8 cm cube plus 10 cm cube. 6 cm cube 216 plus 512 plus 1000. Give bracket, write now centimeter cube. Now I am using this place. R cube is equal to, after addition what is coming? 1728. Now students, R cube is here. When this cube will transpose in right side, this will be cube root. So R is equal to cube root of 1728. Therefore radius is coming here 12 centimeter. So students, therefore the radius of resulting sphere is equal to 12 centimeter answer. Anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
Any question?